Hello, welcome again. Here are the Ninja reporters for the Workplace Ninja Summit 2024 in Lucerne. So, Harjit, what are we gonna do this time?
So, this episode is all about announcing some awesome speakers that are going to be at Ninja Summit in Lucerne, right? So, we are kicking it off with some pre selected speakers, and we have
Fabian. Fa- Fabian.
Fabian
Thank you so
Bader,
much.
right? Bader.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me. So it's an honor to join the second time in a row the Workplace Ninja Summit, and I'm really looking forward for Lucerne this year. So that's
Sure.
going to be amazing.
So, let's, for those that don't know you, let them know who you are, what you do, and where you're from.
Yeah, so my name is Fabian Bader. I live and work in Hamburg, Germany, and I'm a cybersecurity architect. So very long name, a very long role name, but in the end, I help our customers and our internal SOC to develop their Sentinel and Defender processes and implement the whole solution in their environment. And that is also mostly what I'm talking about: security, Sentinel, Defender, and identity.
And we have you at the Workplace Ninja Summit in Lucerne, as you already said. What do you want to share on that event with our attendees?
Yeah, so when you're a consultant and you see many different environments, it's great to have the opportunity to tap into this knowledge and share with the community and share about the work you're doing day to day with
Mhm.
people who maybe don't have the time to do this day by day, but only have a limited time frame. So I will concentrate on to bring knowledge to everybody who has not the time to get deep into this on an everyday basis. But I also try to bring some information that also knowledgeable people can get information back.
Yeah, one of the things that actually really hits well with the audience in any conference, right, is real world experiences and scenarios. Without naming your customers or the organizations, it's like you were asked to support an organization due to whether it's a cybersecurity incident or strengthening their security situations. So that's what they like to hear. And then obviously you're going to go through setup and configurations and best practices and so on and so forth. So
Yeah. What is for you the most important thing that you would like to join the Workplace Ninjas? You're a cybersecurity architect. We have a workplace event with some side steps to security. Why are you joining us in Lucerne?
I think security is not really to be just seen as a separate topic. I think many of the industry have done that for too long. Uh, Regardless in which environment we look, if that's Azure, if that's some other cloud, and of course also the workplace where it all begins, they are all part of our security efforts nowadays, and we have to strengthen our security. We see bad out there every day, and I hope that I can take part in a bit of educating on how to prevent that in your environment and not be the next headline.
that's a good one. Not be the next headline. That's a good one right there.
We should avoid that for every customer that we serve, in my opinion.
Yes.
Yes, definitely.
So apart from the conference, so have you been to Lucerne before?
No, actually not. So it's my first time visiting the city. So I'm very curious to see that. I heard about the last few times that the Workplace Ninjas have visited there and only heard very good things. So I'm really, really pumped to join the party in Lucerne. Last year was a blast. And I think not only the location was a blast, but also the people. I met so many great people there, had great conversations, great evenings, great days. So I'm really looking forward for this event.
So if you
And
haven't checked it out, Franz and I have done a few recordings now. We shared about what's awesome in Lucerne. You got to go check that out. And then we also did one about transportation, how to get to Lucerne. So you may not know how to get there, so, but go check it out.
what we
Yeah.
what we did not mention in the transportation session was how you can get there by car. Probably you will drive the car from Germany to Switzerland. It's not that far. So let's see.
About 9 hours drive from Hamburg. So maybe I have to change gears a bit and maybe land somewhere near.
Yeah, then the transportation session is really helpful for that. So look for that one. We will mention that in the description as well. So a few last famous words to why attendees should join us in Lucerne. Not only you, but the whole conference.
Yeah, so I think everybody who's working in the industry and has something to do with the workplace, and I just not mean who you work with Intune every day, because then it's given that you come to this conference, but also if you just have touch points in this area, this conference really has the best speakers that you can get on all the workplace topics. There are so many awesome people there, and the content is from advanced to beginners, everything in between, really deep dives. And also I enjoyed a few of the workplace sessions myself last year, and as a security guy I can tell you I learned a lot there.
Excellent.
And we're kicking this series off with the community speakers. We have also the Microsoft speakers that will also join, and I think that is, for me personally, that's one of the one of the reasons that I should be there, because we learn from the field, from the community speakers, but also from a Microsoft perspective, and I think that that's fantastic.
Exactly.
Because I think last year, if you haven't been to Ignite or any other conference abroad, this was the conference to meet so many Microsoft people. I think it was over 40 last year. I don't know if you get the number this year as well, but it was amazing just to have all those people there. And again, it was not just Intune, it was also security and other topics. And you could talk to the guys and girls there, which was really great.
Yes.
All right.
One last famous words from you, Harjit, in this recording.
Hey, looking forward to Fabian's sessions, and I think he's gonna rock the scene, and obviously, and everybody should check it out once the sessions are listed. And yeah, looking forward to seeing you, and looking forward to seeing everybody there.
So thanks for watching this time. Thanks, Fabian, for joining us in this recording. And let's see you in Lucerne. Let's meet up there and see what we can bring to our attendees. Thanks.
Cheers.
Thank you.